Former Finance Minister Mudavadi has urged the government to effect a shutdown of the economy to prevent further spread of the deadly coronavirus. Mudavadi expressed concerns of the casual nature in which Kenyans were observing the government guidelines of working from home and ensuring they maintain social distancing. Here's more.
We need forward-looking strategies towards a restored, stable and robust national economy. Indications are that the national treasury is on a weak footing, even as the various voices that are asking for state intervention grow by the day. In point of fact, we are approaching a complete shutdown, whether we recognize this or not. And there could be merit in a deliberate shutdown. If Kenyans should continue being casual about this deadly virus, it is very disappointing to see our people treat very frivolously the instructions from the government. Perhaps the best way ahead now is for President Uhuru Kenyatta to order a periodized shutdown. This will most likely wake us up to the harsh realities of the mortal dangers that our conduct is exposing us to.
Some very drastic sentiments there from the ANC party leader and of course the former finance minister. We shall keep an eye on how this continues to develop and some of the feedback that we continue to receive.